Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.5 TDCI Euro 6 Ulez compliant man mechanic. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 141800. MOT, 2 July 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, clutch concentric slave cylinder needs replacing. We bled the clutch on this and it then starts and drives brilliantly but loses fluid. You can see dripping between the engine and gearbox, but we managed to check the gearbox. It was perfect grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. This will make a very cheap Ulez compliant van grin. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2020.